Hello students, welcome to my channel Junior Master Pro. Today I will teach you MS Paint. Microsoft Paint is a simple graphics program to draw pictures on the screen and paint them with different colors. So let's start. Click on Start button. Suppose you don't get Paint software here, you just type Paint in search box. Now click on Paint. So this is the window of MS Paint. Okay. So here you can see File, Home and View. These are known as tabs. When you click on File tab, you will get new option to open a new page, open option to open an exist file. For save your drawing, you just click on Save button. If you want to change your file name, that time you have to click on Save As button, and so many options here. Then next, Home tab. Home tab consists so many groups and commands. So here Clipboard group, then Image group, then Tools group, Shapes group and Colors group. So these are known as group, and this completely we can say as ribbon. Ribbon consists tabs and groups. Okay, so you can see here this is the color box. Here you can choose your favorite color. These are the shapes. So many shapes available here. These are the tools. So this is the toolbox. First, this is the pencil tool to draw a free form line with the selected line width. When you click pencil tool, and this is the size of pencil, you choose any size and you can draw freehand drawing. Okay. Then second option is fill with color. If you want to fill color, choose any color and you just click here. Okay, then next is text tool. Text tool insert text into the picture. So when you click text tool, you just drag it. So these are the options of toolbox. Okay, just type anything. Now it's color 1 is drawing, that's why it's visible in red color. If you don't want red, you want blue color, you just select and choose blue color. Now next, eraser tool. You know that eraser works just like real eraser. You can erase anything. Okay, just like this. Press left mouse button and drag it. The next one is color picker tool. Pick a color from the picture and use it for drawing. And the next one is magnifier tool. Magnifier tool means when you want to see your drawing in large size, that time you have to click on magnifier tool. Okay, just like this. Okay, you don't want. Now let's start new drawing. Click on File tab, then New. If you don't want to save, click on Don't Save. There are 9 types of brushes available here. First, this is the simple brush. We can choose size here. So this is the simple brush. You want different color, choose from here. Then second, calligraphy brush 1. This is known as calligraphy brush 1. Just click here and draw like this calligraphy brush Then third one is calligraphy brush 2. Then fourth one is known as airbrush. Airbrush, it looks like a brush painting. Suppose you take thick line, so it looks like this. Okay, just like brush painting. Then next one is oil brush. Okay. Next one is crayons. It use different color. It looks like crayons drawn. Then next one is marker. And it is a natural brush. Natural pencil. Then the last one is known as watercolor brush. Okay, so you can see there are 9 types of brushes here, and you can use any type of brush and you can draw your drawings. First I will teach you how to draw shapes here. We will take new page. You don't want to save, click on don't save. Size you take simple. There are so many shapes here. Okay. You can use any shape like heart shape, star shape, left arrow. You just click left button and drag it. Click left button and drag it. Okay, now use fill color. Click on fill with color and choose different types of color and just click there. Students, you understood how to draw shapes and how to fill colors here. Now I will teach you about color 1 and color 2. You don't want this file, click on don't save. Now I will teach you about color 1 and color 2. Color 1 is used for foreground color and color 2 is used for background color. Suppose we choose any shape and you drag it, it looks like this, okay? But when we choose color 2 with different color rather than white color, then you choose shape fill, solid color, then it looks like this, okay? So inside orange color it will come automatically because we have chosen color 2 as an orange color. But you have to click here solid color. Okay students, then you choose different types of shapes and color 2 you can choose different colors. Okay, this is your square shape. Then you choose different color. This is your triangle shape. Then you choose another shape. Okay, so it is the use of color 1 and color 2. Okay, when you choose color 2 then solid color, so no need to fill inside the color. Okay, it will come automatically. Now if you want to delete this shape, you just click on select tool, you select it, right click, delete. Okay, now we want to type some text, means the name of shapes. Just click on text tool and drag here one box. Okay, Now the text size is 26. You can increase and decrease your text size. So here we can type the spellings of shapes like this. Okay, if you want. Now again choose text tool. Here also you can type. Okay, so here already bold and underline selected, that's why it comes in dark font with underline. The spelling of square you have to type here and you just click another there. Okay. Then here the spelling of triangle. Then here spelling of star. Then here okay, suppose you don't want this line, you just use eraser tool and click here. Okay, this square spelling is not in center position. You just click on select button, you just select, then you can drag here at the center. Like this also, triangle also you can select. Now you can move this. Now you just select star. Now you can move this like this. So with the help of select tool, you can choose any drawing and you can move your shapes. That particular area you can shape, you can move anywhere. So thank you students to watch my video. I hope you all enjoy to watch my video. I hope you all will draw many interesting drawings. Thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.